Ngayong hapon sa inyo and good afternoon to everyone. So I came from Davao. Since I finished my study in WPFTC, I go home and help my father with a pastor, who is pastoring in Davao City. And since then, I work with God. I serve as a youth pastor for 2 years. Also for the district because I'm working together with Christ to the Philippines. So I serve as a youth pastor. We have this discipleship for the young people. In 2008, I was promoted to be part of the pastoral leadership of the church. So, but though I was doing pastoral work in the church, I'm still working in the youth group of our church and the district. In 2010 to 2014, I become a administrative pastor of the church. So all the planning of the church was given to me, and I worked it during 4 years. And up to this year, 2014, just four months ago, we decided with my wife to hold the church. So it took me 8 years before I host a church. So right now we are pastoring in Kabantian, next barangay from Buhangin. And we really praise God because on that period of time, we started kids ministry again because it was started long before, but it seems it does not go high because of lack of committed workers. That's why just 1 year ago we prayed to have workers to work there, but God really spoke in my heart and together with my wife. So we decided to move in that community, and right now we are pastoring and we are starting reaching the kids and the young people. Just for the 4 months, we just have these 2 outreaches, and we really praise God because this coming October 12, we will relaunch the ministry there. So from that outreach, the kids and the young people will present their presentation, and we are so excited about what God is doing right now in the ministry where we are in right now. So I'm involved in many ministry aside from the church. I hold Bible study in Philippine National Police. I was assigned in regional 11 in Davao City. So I'm speaking regularly in many officials, and I'm also engaged in prison ministry. Just last week, we played basketball with this maximum security prisoners. So it gives us a lot of tense because it was a maximum prison. It is a Muntinlupa version in Mindanao. So we played there, we go inside and we prayed for many sick people in that maximum prison. So we witnessed a lot of miracles that took place that time when we got in ministry in that prison. So that is my I am married. Last 3 years I got married with Brenelyn, and right now we have 2 daughters, Rizander and Rainsnea, and we are so happy serving God in Davao City.